Hello guys, Milton Shumba here, Gladiators football batsman and also a Zimbabwe national team player. Well, today it was a tough one. We knew that we needed to play against the tough side. We've got quite a good lineup. Also, their bowlers are good. Lovely youngsters who know what to do. We came up short with like 8 runs, which turned out to be a great game after all. Obviously, we knew that it was a top table game because we were number 2 and then number 1, so we needed to win. But they come up tops, proving that they are doing something right, which is really good. I encourage everyone to come down to Mutare Sports Club to watch a few games. I'm sure there are going to be a couple of games being played here, so yeah, it's going to be wonderful.
Yeah.
We're very happy at Westside for the win against Gladiators, and we know the tournament is not over yet, but Gladiators is a very big team, and it's a plus to the guys to win. But as we've been told in the changing room, we're now focusing on the other games, and hopefully we'll do just fine. We're hoping to lift the cup as a team, and I hope the win will boost the confidence of the guys. So cheers, thanks.